Greetings, bearded adventurers. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the newest scent from Fable Beard Co. It's called Druid, and we're going to tell you about it in just a second. So welcome, my name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. And a lot of cool new scents have been coming out over there at Fable. They're just all the time coming out with new stuff. I don't see how the wizard does it over there, but he's got a good crew helping him out. And on this scent, it's called the Druid, and on this one, I get like a green, watery type of scent on it, which kind of makes sense for the season we're in. It's like the March is gone, so we've got the old shamrocks and the clover kind of scent is migrating a little bit more, and now we go into the scent profile here, which is it's called Earthy Citrus Stone. It says it's smoky tobacco leaf, carnelian, bergamot. I don't know what carnelian means. I don't know if it's a place or what. I'm going to have to look that one up. Cedarwood, patchouli, sandalwood, creekside stone, moss, and earthy musk. So out of bottle, you definitely get the bergamot, so it's a little bit more of like a citrus, kind of orangey citrus kind of vibe. And then I get a lot of things that smell green. I'm not exactly sure where that's coming from. And then when it dries down, which I have here on my hand just to kind of compare, I've worn it, but your brain, as you go throughout the day, you're kind of left with the most recent thing that you smelled. So I like having like the dry down spot here, and then the get it fresh out of the bottle here to kind of compare the notes on it. So after you get the dry down on it, the bergamot starts to go away, and you get a nice powdery, woodsy, and then like the kind of wet stone. I guess that's the creekside stone you get with that. And then you do get a little bit of that earthy musk to make it not quite so earthy. It's a little bit more smoothed out and manly. Also, the sandalwood helps to smooth that out as well. I don't really pick out the smoky tobacco leaf at all, and I can't pick out the patchouli. I think most of the rest of that stuff I can pick out, so that kind of paints the picture for you. So it starts off kind of orangey a little bit with the bergamot, but it doesn't stay that way. It's more of a green, mossy kind of scent without it being clover like we had last month with some of those St. Patrick's Day kind of scent. So a really good one. I do enjoy that one. So you got prices from like $12.99 and up. I think you can get that in like all of their different products. So the oil, the balm, the butter, wash, co-wash, cologne, deodorant. And this one I think would be a good one for the bathroom type of products, the deodorant and the wash and the co-wash. I think this would all work very well for that with this scent called the Druid. So I'm not sure if this is a totally brand new scent. I don't remember seeing it. I don't think I've tried it, but sometimes he brings back ones from previous years or ones that might have been in the scent of the month. So a lot of cool stuff happening over there at Fable. I did see that there was a new product coming, a leave-in conditioner called Dr. Slumber. I've never really used a leave-in conditioner, so I may have to try that out. But as always, guys, you can use the code BANJO15 over there at Fable to save on your order. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you soon for another video.